Hello class, this is Dr. Domar, your professor. I will be your instructor for this semester. So just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself and put a face to the name. Hopefully by now you've read through the first announcement and dug into the course a little bit. If not, go ahead and do that today as you have a couple of important due dates coming up, particularly for attendance verification. So my name is Amy Dilmar. I am your professor, and I am a school principal during the day at an elementary school here in Columbus, Georgia. And I do some adjunct work for Columbus State and the University System of Georgia at night and on the weekends. I do have degrees in history and education, psychology, and I teach mostly history and education courses. I'm very flexible, easy to get along with, and most importantly, I'm invested in you being successful. The biggest thing I tell people is if you turn your work in, you will pass this class. The experience of this course is what's most important. Of course, quality work is definitely important, and that's what you should strive for. But I don't think anyone can fail if they just try and do. So that's the biggest thing. Just don't not do something, right? Avoid not turning in an assignment, even if it seems like you have no idea what you're doing and you're just floundering around, turning something in. That's okay. Go ahead and turn it in. It's okay. You definitely want to avoid zeros. Other than that, I'm married, been married for going on 30 years. I have two children in their 20s. One is studying to be a teacher, and the other one is working on her master's degree and works here locally for Aflac in Columbus. We originally, all of us are from the Savannah area, Richmond Hill, Georgia, which is right outside of Savannah. We left there back in 2010, and we've moved a whole bunch of different times, my kids will tell you. We lived in Northern Virginia. We lived overseas. We even lived in Italy. And then we ended up back here in Georgia, just the other side of the state. And we've been here since 2014. So, not a whole lot else about me. I love to travel. I love to spend my weekends relaxing and watching junk TV. I love my reality TV. Again, like I said, super flexible, super easy to get along with, and just invested in your success. You'll hear my announcements going off in the school. But just reach out to me if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you and talking with you soon. Have a great day.